Hey friends, if you wish to delete system restore points on your Windows 11 computer, then I will guide you through the easiest method. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Make sure that C drive is selected or whatever is your system drive. Click on OK and then you can scroll down. You'll find an option called as system protection files. If they exist on your computer, okay, you can select all of these options nonetheless and clear them. I'll tell you what to do after that, but let it delete these files first. Okay, so it is cleaning up files which are taking up unnecessary storage, and this does not specifically refer to the system protection files. So we'll open disk cleanup once again, and there is an option which says clean up system files. Click on this option. Okay, select C drive, click on OK, and it will start cleaning up the system files, including the restore points. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to. Okay, yeah, here you find system recovery log files. You have to check this and click on OK and then click on delete files. So this will delete the system restore points, all of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.